Hello everybody, it's Paulie Slaughter Food Creations. This is our finished product. Tortilla chips, homemade, with Old Bay seasoning. You start out with your yellow corn tortillas, cut them into quarters, and then we fry them. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so I've got these flipped here, and I flip them consistently to make sure they don't bubble up, and they have a nice flat consistent and look to them. There's a slight bubble on that one, but for the most part they stay bubble free by consistently flipping. And when they're golden brown, we remove them and then we season them up. So let me show you what I do with these tortilla quarters here, yellow corn tortilla quarters. So we're going to season them up. Got my warm tortilla chips here in a bowl, and today I'm going to use Old Bay. I like Old Bay seasoning, so I'm going to make these Old Bay tortilla chips today, and so I'm just going to dust them like so. Give them a mix. Maybe dust them again, like so. And there you have it, my freshly made yellow corn tortilla chips that I've quartered, deep fried, and they're ready and seasoned, and I'm going to go ahead and give them a taste test. Very good, crunchy, and great seasoning there of Old Bay, which is a favorite of mine. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.